Learn how to clean your furniture and surfaces with an effective mixture. If you are looking for an economical and effective way to clean your furniture and surfaces, you will be glad to know that you can achieve it almost dry and with ingredients that you probably already have at home. Follow these simple steps to revitalize your mattress, sofa, and car seats with a homemade cleaning mixture. Let's start with the preparation of the mixture. In a suitable container, add 1 liter of water to serve as a base. Then, incorporate 150 milliliters of detergent of your choice. The brand and color are optional. Next, add 150 milliliters of alcohol. Although it is recommended to use 70% alcohol, any type of alcohol will work, even 46%. Alcohol is essential in this mixture because it facilitates evaporation and quick drying. Finally, incorporate hydrogen peroxide, also known as hydrogen peroxide. A concentration of 30 or 40 volumes will work. The effectiveness will be similar in both options. Mix all the ingredients in detail to create a homogeneous solution. This mixture is what will transform your surfaces. Once well mixed, transfer it to a sprayer to facilitate application. The sprayer will allow you to cover the areas with precision and evenly. Start by applying the mixture to the sofa. The solution will evaporate quickly, allowing effective cleaning without saturating your furniture. Make circular movements to allow the solution to penetrate the dirt. If you have a soft brush, you can use it to lightly rub and approach more rooted spots. An amazing detail is how dirt comes off easily, getting caught in a clean cloth after the process. Notice how the colors are reborn and the surface is rejuvenated. This method is particularly useful for your most used furniture, such as the sofa and chairs. If you want to see the impact on a mattress, apply the mixture to a section of it. Rub gently and observe how dirt and residues come off, revealing a fresher and cleaner surface. The difference will be evident when you compare the part treated with which it was not. In conclusion, this drying cleaning method is an effective and affordable solution to revitalize your furniture and surfaces. By using common ingredients, you can achieve remarkable results with little effort. If you made it this far, let us know your enthusiasm by leaving the phrase "new mattress" in the comments. Your participation will show us that you have followed and appreciated the detailed cleaning process in this method.